Europe. So death is a blessing for a true believer, because he now yearns to meet his Lord. That is the ultimate, right? And death brings you certainty. You know that? Death brings you certainty. While you are alive, there is no certainty. What it means? Who does not desire? Anyone who reading the kalama of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam does not desire to see his Nabi. Who doesn't want to see his Nabi? Who doesn't yearn? What would, if somebody comes to me and tell me, can give you a glance of your Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what would you pay in lieu to have a glimpse of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam? I say, take whatever I have got, take my life, just to have one glance at the glorious face of Sayyidina Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is a direct manifestation of the divine beauty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Which Muslim doesn't have that crave or desire to see his Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam? So you can never say in certainty that you will see him in this world, but death will bring that certainty to your door, that when you die, you will definitely make his ziyarah in his grave. When the question is asked, what do you say about this man? The Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam will present it to you, and you will make ziyarah of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Therefore, the awliya Allah yearn to die because of certainty. Certainty of to meet the beloved sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So there is no difference between the life and passing away of the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's a consensus. وَقَدْ قَالَ عُلَمَاؤُنَا, our ulama, Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah ulama, not the Wahhabi or Salafi ulama. We speak about the Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah ulama. لا فرق بين موته وحياته عليه السلام في مشاهدتي. Right. He observes his ummah, مشاهدته لأمته ومعرفته بأحوالهم ونياتهم وعزائهم وخواطرهم. These are very, very hidden and occult qualities. What you have in your heart, what you intend, nobody can perceive that besides you. Such a hidden occult thing is such an arcane thing that you cannot perceive it, you cannot understand. You can use any knowledge you want, or you can use any detector you want, man-made detector, or any apparatus you want, or any computer, or any scanning machine, or any scan that you even go for, the scan that the doctors use today, that surgeons use to see the concealed, or even for that matter, X-ray. You go on an X-ray machine, can never pick up what is the intention of your heart. But there is an X-ray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has placed in His beloved servants, that nothing is even hidden from them, because the hadith says, اتقوا فراسة المؤمن فإنه ينظر بنور الله. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's nur and light intercepts everything. That which a machine cannot intercept is intercepted by the light of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Imam Abu Hanifa radiallahu ta'ala, the great Imam, who doesn't know him? Well, yes, maybe the Salafi don't know him because they don't follow any Imam for that matter. They are la mazhab. They are ghair muqallids. They don't follow any Imam. Yeah, they may not know him, but we know him. We Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah. He's our Imam. Right. One morning, the time of Fajr, he is making wudu, and a fellow Muslim comes to perform wudu. After the Muslim performed wudu, Imam Abu Hanifa radiallahu ta'ala asks him, what sin have you committed that you have come here to